In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image with Magnific AI Desktop. We'll move from a blank canvas to a finished image, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing. Start by opening Magnific on your computer. Once the app loads, look to the left-hand side and open the image generator. This is the workspace where you'll set your creative direction and control the output. At the top of this panel, choose a model. Models influence style, detail, and speed. Pick the one that best matches your goal, whether you want something highly realistic, more illustrative, or a balanced option. If you're unsure, select a general purpose model. You can always change it later. Next, move to the References section. References help the generator understand style, color, or composition cues. Click Add to bring in a reference. A picker will appear. Choose what you want to use and click it to confirm. If you'd like another reference for extra guidance, click Add again and include it. Aim for clear, high-quality images so the tool has strong visual signals to work from. Now it's time to describe what you want. In the prompt field, type a concise request that covers the subject, key attributes, and mood. For example, mention the scene, lighting, style, and any standout details. Keep it focused and specific and avoid mixing conflicting directions. When suggestions or previews appear, choose the result that best aligns with your vision. This selection helps the tool prioritize the direction you prefer. Then choose your layout. Pick an aspect ratio or orientation that fits your final use square for avatars, portrait for posters, or landscape for banners and backgrounds. With everything set, click Generate. Magnific will process your choices, apply your prompt and references, and render the image. Give it a moment to complete. If what you see matches your idea, you're all set. If not, you can adjust the model, tweak the prompt, refine references, or switch layouts and generate again until it meets your needs. That's the full workflow from start to finish.